So I have found the easiest way to apply the save files of your favorite games on the jailbroken PS4, of course. And this is easier than before using the PS4 Explorer and other stuff. You don't need any of that. You just need the Apollo save tool. Apollo for 12.2 is here, and Apollo for older versions like 9 and 11 are also here. This is some games that I have the saves available, like CTR Nitro Fueled, which everything is unlocked. The GTA V, which is 100% and everything is unlocked, full money. And also the Red Dead Redemption, which is on 19% completion. It is all in there, and all of them are in this zip file, which is in my Telegram channel, link in the description if you want to get it. So after that, you just need to copy this like this and go to the, let's say this is your flash drive, okay? You need to format it to exFAT first. So this is already exFAT, and then paste the files here. So let me show you. This is the PS4 save files, which you have to put it in here with folder, otherwise it will not recognize. And this is the upload tools. So now let's safely eject it and connect to the PS4. Alright, I have connected to my PS4, and let's go with this user. Because there is no save files here, let's quickly jailbreak the console. Sorry for that. Come on, I don't have all day. Yes, that is done in 5 seconds. Let's go to setting, golden hand, debug settings, install package, and install the Apollo for 12.2, which is my version. And since I already uploaded, installed, let's go to the storage and delete any saves that might intervene. If I can open it. Alright, there is no saves here, just delete this extra file. So where is the, this is the Apollo save tools. Let's launch it quickly, and you can just copy the files to your HDD, this tool, and that's all. But before that, you need to activate the account. So USB saves, and for example CTR, you just need to copy save game to HDD, and that's all. That's all you need to do, nothing else. Of course, the version of the games is written here. This is only works on this version of the game, not anything else. And for the activation part, before you actually copy that, you need to go to the user tools and to activate the PS4 account, and for example user number 1, and in here, as you can see, I have already activated, but I cannot activate anymore. But for you, you're just going to press the cross once, and then it is going to show you the hash address, like this hex address that is written in here. Don't touch it, just press R2 and it will say the activation is successful. You will need to restart the console for it to properly work. So you are going to do that, you are going to restart the console. Otherwise, if you just copy to HDD, the next time you run the game, restart the console and run the game, the save will not be there, or it will be corrupted. So let's test it. It's the CTR I already did. Let's use this GTA. Copy, easy. Let's go for the Red Dead Redemption, and I will cut the loadings just to not to waste your time, and I will show you each one how you can load it. So let's close this one. Let's start with the closest one. This is the CTR. Let's pause the video. Okay, resume. The game is loaded, and if we go to the adventure, there is no save here, but in the local arcade, if we just go and see the characters, you can see that everything is unlocked, even this mystery box. And yeah, that was for the CTR. Let's check the other games. So let's go to the next closest, Red Dead Redemption. So the game is also loaded here. Let's go to the where is the load game here? I think we need to launch the game first. Okay, BRB. Alright, it shows the save file automatically, which is good. And all of this is because we activated the account, in which if we didn't, the game would be loaded in the snowy 1% or 0% completion, and we had to actually go to the progress and load game in here to select it, and sometimes, most of the times, it just said that the game is corrupted, the data is corrupted. But now with this option it is not. And let me add something in here before we launch the GTA, that we can now, where is the save file? This is the application save data and management. Before activating the account with the Apollo save tool, this features is not available, but now when I press copy to USB, you can see it says you must update the software, but just ignore it. Yes, we can actually access it now. So let's say, for example, you have the San Andreas game in which level that you like to have a backup of, and you can just select this and copy to the USB. I'm getting that you have connected the USB already with the exFAT format. And then you can just press copy and have a backup of any game you like. So this is a cool feature I didn't know about. I'm sure most of you don't either, so I think it is good to share it with you. Let's pause it right now. Come on, bro, we don't have all day. Oh, Jesus. The first time always takes longer. So this one actually didn't load. I don't know why. Let's go to the game load. Oh yes, this is the game I have to load manually, and the reason for this is I forgot to add one file here, which is autosave, and that's why the game didn't load automatically. This is going to waste your time stuck in that loading for 10 minutes. So let's go to the USB save when you are using the GTA, and also let's copy this save game. Yes, I want to override. We overrided the already existed file that we just load into the mission, so the next time, yes, override this. Okay, so this is the profile, this is the autosave for the GTA, and you can use one of these 100%. They are all the same. I just made backups. I don't know which one is which, so I didn't delete any of them. But they are the same. Let's now launch it. I will pause the video to not to waste your time. All right, as you can see, it is loaded into the 100%. Let's check. Yes, this is the 100%, and how many saves are in there? This is the autosave and this is the backup. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. there is not much left to say, just that this feature is cool. The DNS server. Yeah, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will really help my small channel to grow faster. Thanks very much. See you in the next one.